Sergeant.
Stay away. Just stay away from me.
I've heard those words before.
Just stay away, please.
It was me. The idea of a code was one thing, a grand idea, a noble cause, but the reality of it. Harry walked in on what he created, and he couldn't live with himself.
What now? We killed my father.
The Bay Harbor Butcher. You know the nickname, and you know what he did. Dismembered his victims, bagged the bloody bits and hefties, and tossed them in the bay. Dozens of bodies strewn across the ocean floor.